The Milky Way is our home galaxy, a swirling disk of about 100 to 400 billion stars stretched across 100,000 light years. We are just only tiny speck in it, orbiting a mediocre star in a quiet suburb of the Orion Arm. These numbers are mind-boggling and make us feel small, but all you need to know is the galaxy is vast and chaotic, like trying to find a single firefly in a cosmic fireworks show. This means spotting Earth from afar is a real challenge, but with the right cosmic roadmap, you can navigate straight to it. Today, I want to walk you through the 5 key steps to find Earth in the Milky Way. So grab your stellar compass because this journey is epic, disorienting, and maybe even a little humbling. But most importantly, it's doable. Earth is out there waiting to be pinpointed. Step 1. Log onto Sagittarius A. Start your search at the heart of it all. Sagittarius A, the supermassive black hole at the Milky Way's core. This beast is 26,000 light years from us and anchors the galaxy's spiral arms like a gravitational boss. From outside, it would look like a glowing, radio-blurring monster surrounded by a frenzy of stars. Pinpointing Sag A is your 0 point. It's the brightest infrared beacon in the galactic center, visible even through the dust. Once you are locked on, head outward along the plane of the disk. It's like using the North Star but for an entire galaxy. Without this anchor, you would spiral forever in the void. I mean, can you imagine missing your home galaxy's front door? The dust lens dodge with Sag in your sights. Your next hurdle is the dust lens dodge, those thick, shadowy bands of interstellar dust and gas that blot out half the galaxy like cosmic fog. To the untrained eye, they look like harmless streaks, but they are a navigator's nightmare, hiding entire star clusters and throwing off your bearings. You will need to weave through them carefully, using infrared telescopes to peer past the mark. Think of it as galactic X-ray vision. One wrong turn here and you would veer into the wrong arm, lost among billions of look-alike systems. So, you want to know something even worse. This lens spawn monster star-forming regions that could blind your sensors with newborn stars exploding into life. I will be plotting my course twice before diving into that mess. The Orion Arm Beacon up next. Zero in on the Orion Arm Beacon, our local spiral arm, a loose wind-bending branch about 3,500 light-years wide, glowing with hot blue stars and nebula. It's just one of the Milky Way's 4 major arms, but it's our stretching from the galactic center out towards the edge. From afar, it would stand out like a neon sign amid the fainter background glow, thanks to its dense young stars lighting up that night. Well, if you aligned it right with Sag A, you would see how it curves just so. Our arms, the underdog, not as grand as the Perseus arm, but packed with landmarks. Imagine sweeping our view from a galactic overview. The Orion arm would pulse like a vein, guiding you straight to Soul's neighborhood without a hinge. The solar neighborhood scan. This step feels a bit more familiar. The solar neighborhood scan, where you zoom into our stellar backyard, a bubble of about 50 light years around the sun, home to familiar faces like Alpha, Centauri, and Sirius. It's roughly 27,000 light years from the core, tucked in a SERP of the Orion arm and only about 1% denser than average space. Perhaps even more exciting is that it's relatively quiet. No ranging star birth, just stable yellow dwarfs like ours. But here's where things get precise. Scan for the sun's unique signature, a G-type star with a faint infrared glow from its planets, orbiting in a tidy 225 million years leap around the center. NASA's even modeled it as a quiet cul-de-sac in the galaxy's suburbs. Just picture dialing in on that pinpoint of light, knowing it's the gateway to blue oceans and green continents. In fact, this idea was so intriguing to astronomers, just they created maps labeling it. So, where the third rock from the ordinary star holds all the surprise. The Earth pin. Not every world broadcasts its presence. Some hide in the glare of their star. But Earth, it pings back if you know where to listen. These signals unearthed for a star. They're ours. Faint radio whispers from old TV broadcast and radar, leaking into space at light speed. They are not part of any system globe. They just drift along through the galaxy's cold, steady depths all alone. On this hunt, you wouldn't chase water vapor or oxygen spikes alone. Instead, you would tune for artificial patterns like I Love Lucy episodes echoing 70 light years out. We still don't fully understand how far these signals carry without fading, but our best theories say they have reached about 100 light years. A bubble of human cutter in the void. As they propagate into the darkness, they mark Earth's spot like a cosmic postent. If one overlapped with an alien scan, it could reveal us instantly or spook them into silence. The chances are low, of course, but if you are pinging for Earth, that's your final confirmation. Tune in and hear the faint roar of humanity, our place in the Milky Way. These tips are just as real as the stars guiding it, and in some cases, they have already led telescopes to glimpse our pale blue dot from afar. I mean, we are just a collective of curious explorers on a fragile world, spinning in a galaxy that barely notices. For as long as we have gazed up, we have mapped the Milky Way and dreamed of pinning ourselves on its chart. Now, I believe in cosmic neighbors and I believe they're charting us too. But for now, it's our story and maybe that's enough.